We are pleased to show you the 2015 Volt. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, front license plate bracket, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.